Let's go.
Welcome to the Hustle Master channel. I've prepared a simplified look behind the scenes of micro product creation and business building. You'll see all the parts you need from start to finish. Here I will outline what we will discuss in this series. We'll look at everything from the idea itself, production to promotion. The idea is of course the most important thing, but because of the micro product, we don't have to brainstorm and work out every detail for months. Take a look at the TikTok printer product, for example. It just prints out comments and thank you gifts for live streaming. So let's take that as a starting point. Next, we'll create a test prototype to see how much work goes behind it and if it's worth it after adding our margin. We'll design our business model and get to work. We then create the finished product as we want to distribute it. We'll test everything and move on to the next phase, which is programming and coding. Both for the product itself and for the promotion, meaning the website. Don't be alarmed, it's nothing complicated or something that can't be outsourced. I will also show you alternatives if you have no programming knowledge but still want to create the product yourself. The last point will be the promotion of the product. Because if nobody knows about us, nobody will buy our product. We'll start with the idea part. We need the product to be quick to produce, easy to build, have the ability to sell online, since we don't want to deal with a fixed store budget. We only want one product, cheaper for marketing. It has to have something to attract the potential buyer, and ideally two sales options. A service and a physical product. I thought of a mini lamp that we can make using 3D printing and a ping pong ball. However, enriched with personalization according to the example of TikTok printer. The next thing is to come up with a name. Let's say we call the project Maminilum. We should register a domain so that no one takes it. We'll need it in the future. Due to the manufacturing process and delivery time to Europe from Asia, I have to order the PCB board in advance. We will talk about how to design this board and how to order it in the next video, so don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to this channel.